Hi guys, this is the Python series. Inside the try block, we have to place the suspicious code, and the except block is responsible to handle the exceptions that are raised inside the try block. We have already discussed. The next one, else block. We already discussed about the try block and except block. So the try block might throw exceptions. Block is raised to the exception means that will be handled with the help of the except block. If there is no error inside this try block means what will happen? The control goes to the else block. Okay, if there is any error inside the try block mean the except block will be executed. If there is no error, the else block will be executed. Got it? And this is the rest of the code. You just imagine this is the rest of the code. Okay. Now let me execute this one. Enter the A value. A value is 12 and B value. Here I didn't use the int inbuilt method to convert the string input value to integer. So it returns only the string. Am I correct? Because input method always returns the string value. Okay. Here, if I give the number means interpreter assumes this is not a number. This is the string only because here I have used the input method. I didn't use any type conversion. Isn't it? So, the string only will be stored inside the B variable. So, is it possible to add one integer with string in Python? No, we will get error only. Isn't it? What is the error? We will get the type error. That is, the data type is mismatch, isn't it? Here we have the integer and here we have the string. So, we got the error. Due to this error, the control jumps from the fourth line to the except block. Here we have the exception handler type error. Okay, this is the inbuilt exception class. And here this is our custom message. Whatever we want, we give. Unsupported operation is printed and the rest of the code is also printed. Here I use the int inbuilt method to convert the string value into integer. So what will happen if there is no error inside the try block means the else block will be executed. If any error is occurred inside the try block means the except block only responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block. That's it. Okay. So enter A value. A value is 12. B value is 23. Addition of A and B values. Now there is no error. Isn't it? That's why we got this result. This else block is executed. We got the result and the rest of the code is also executed. Got it? So, the else block will be executed if there is no error inside the try block. That's it. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.